Have you ever thought about why we say bless you when someone sneezes? It's a tradition that goes way, way back. Some people think it started in ancient Rome, where a sneeze was seen as a sign of good health. So you'd get a bless you as a sort of congratulations. Others believe it came from the time of the plague in Europe. A sneeze was often the first symptom, so people would say, "God bless you" as a prayer, hoping you wouldn't get seriously ill. There's even a superstition that a sneeze could expel your soul from your body, and bless you was a way to stop the devil from snatching it away. So next time you hear a sneeze, you're not just being polite, you're taking part in a piece of history. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts.